and it's played at a frantic pace.
Yeah, absolutely. No reira, here we go back to the action. Waikato Māori spreading the ball out. Ki te taha katou.
Watson here, the number 3, Esme Watson, and she's got speed to burn. She's down the sideline. Oh, and she's away. She's been outstanding here.
E te whānau, what a solo effort.
They
E te anga whakamua.
They can see some numbers out there on the left edge.
Ki te taha Maui. And number 2 in the corner. And she is of Ngā Puhi descent. A little offload there to the Pomua, and is she going to go close? She goes all the way over. And Fearless with the ball in hand.
And even just
Halo Walker once again. And she deserved that try. Let's have a quick look. Waikato Māori need to get up off that defensive line.
Yes, their line speed needs a bit more improvement.
And unable to defuse the kick there by Waikato Māori. Looked like she was over the line for all money. And here comes our try scorer. Is she going to barge her way over the line once again? And it looks like it is a try.
Yeah, she was fantastic yesterday, wasn't she?
I'm sure that's the daughter of Benny Ellis. Mihiana ki te Ellis whānau.
Oh, great line.
And through the middle there.
Proving the difference between the two sides at the moment.
Absolutely. And here through Ellis, she looks very dangerous with the ball in hand.
She did.
And out to the winger.
That was
a copybook try.
Work from Kotahitanga.
Not quite. Ellis swings it. Oh,
yes,
good
nice
skip ball.
Oh.
To the winger.
She tried to lift her up, but in the end maybe carried her over the line.
Their tails up now, Kotahitanga. What can they do with this good ball? I think it's the 5th and final now. Through Ellis. Ellis is jinking, Ellis is driving, she's finding holes, she's probing.
Yeah, looking for
and she finds her number 13, Tia Matthews. And Tia Matthews goes all the way for one of the try scorers coming off the Ellis.
Oh, and
Ellis right here, and does it all herself.
Taylor.
Tarawa still doing well to repel these attacks. And the kick.
Nice.
And what a try there.
Or the PAC tournament, which is a agreement that we have with all of our whānau from the Moana Nui a Kiwa. So Tonga, Samoa, Niue, Kuki Airini, all coming together for a massive tournament in Tāmaki Makaurau at the end of this year.
And here we go, Tarawa hot on attack.
Oh, good
and
stuff.
Nice through the hands. Very well there. And Kotahitanga through their hika. Get to a kick. And it grubbers along.
Good chase.
Oh!
She does save it in the head. It looks like
the ball goes down. I thought she was going to go and jump over the fence there for a bit.
That's what they want. That's exactly what they want from their side.
Got a bit of a recharge, it seems. And a bit stagnant here. Raukawaki looking to slice through, and they do.
And they do. And so
what does the ref have to say? Oh, Hamene.
Hamene.
Well, Hamene tia.
Ti hai te poro.
And a tap and go. Oh no, she caught them napping.
There's a gap
and
right
she
there.
did. The hiker taking matters into her own hands. And 5th and final, what do they have up their sleeve? Oh, they go for a bit of a barge over, and it works.
Looking to go left, but she.
And
she
here through the Pomua.
Oh, good run.
Oh, good little hit and spin.
And bang! As well, and there you go.
We're at the 5th and final now, Te Whānau. What will they do?
Well, they're looking for
they decide to go ki te taha kapo, ki te taha matakerepo, and Piro trying to make up for those drop balls earlier.
Looking to drop the ball off.
Oh, and a little bit of a dummy there by the 7.
She was the try scorer for Etu Heitea Uriariki as well as
and a quick play the ball there on the roll. Tarawa having to turn around, desperation, and Piro. Look at the drive. Hopefully that sets something up for our Tarawa side to push on to now through the number 13. Nevaeh Harris and Hilo!
One of our try scorers.
And trying to bust up the middle once again.
Oh, she pops the offload.
Can stop this kick from going too far.
And she puts it down.
Not quite able to gather it on a full, and Te Whānau Tainui regather.
Okay, and then they've got Talia Tonga brings it out to the centre.
It's still the 5th and final, but she's going to go all the way down the side and try.
Anita Ropatsi. Serenity. Tuwaine Kore. There's Tonga once again running down the line. She makes a break, and she's got the place to go
all the way Stefano
Tonga.
Taunui.
Asia has been threatening all game. They go back to the right-hand side now. Tonga
And
looking
with
for
the
the long
skip
pass.
pass out to the corner, and
well done.
Pito.
Oh, that was a great
Top
tackle.
shot was Tia Matthews. They bring it back to the middle, and they kick and regather. It looks like
It should be
they'll
back to
get
one.
another set of 6 there, Tefano.
And they got numbers to this left-hand edge as well.
Taitanga hot on attack now through Toya once again.
Oh, she just puts her head down and goes for it.
Look to be in the driver's seat at the moment. And a
Ooh.
nice hard shot
Yes,
right in.
and what a play, Luca Bella.
What will they do? 15 final.
Davis
Look
looking
to
to put a
kick.
scrum. Oh, and there's numbers out here. All she needs is the
and
bounce. And she gets it.
Mata
There
in the
you go.
corner.
Okay, we're out from the scrum now.
Taitanga will be looking to make sure they don't give any easy penalties away again.
Oh, look at this
And
run.
look at this, we
Just-
need to get her on the ground.
Yeah, she's only going to get it on the ground. Oh, she's
look
got
at her
pace.
go.
Look at her
She
go.
is fast.
Maya
Up,
Davis.
down.
Maya
Oh,
Davis
she's
still going.
going.
Still going is Maya
Oh,
Davis.
what a run. She
All the way to the 20-meter line. Look at
on
that.
the 20.
They're looking to go back to the left-hand side now. They got numbers. Hey, if she sees it, she gives.
Mata out
She
to
gives.
the left.
She gives.
Fahamoe. Will they get in?
Oh, she gets down.
And
And some massive defense from Kotahitanga to
here
propel
goes
them. But
the
here we go.
Poimua, number
Poimua.
8, up the middle.
And the referee likes it.
TRY. Looks like we're at the 5th and final now. What do they have up their sleeve?
Quick play the ball.
And Alice goes back
goes
to the blind.
Oh, it's a good
And-
heads-up play. They'll be looking to kick it left.
And come to centralised play there.
They
Alice
find
gets the
Alice.
ball.
And Alice
And
decides
she
to go wide.
switches out to the centre.
They got numbers.
And to
Oh, good sliding
Wainua
defense.
Mata stopped them, but Alice has the ball back once again. They keep the ball alive. Kotahitanga probing. They decide
Finally
to kick.
somebody to kick. And she finds
And
the
he-
hole. And
and
a
it
try
is a
time.
try.
It's the 5th and final now.
5th and final. What do they have in store? They go to Alice, the playmaker, the little general.
She puts a
kicks.
nice kick in.
And
Oh,
well
that's a
weighted kick.
gain.
Coming out to Matapo. Ashley Matapo being one of the standout players
Oh,
for this Kotahitanga
indeed.
side.
Look at
And for obvious reasons, referee calls out through our Toya connection.
defenders.
The two Toya connection. And they go left.
And they do
go
go left.
side. Out to the centre. What can they do? Out to
They
the
find
winger.
the winger. She's got
And
speed
in the corner.
in the
That is
corner.
try.
Maui Active.